Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation on this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for log orientation icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that the log orientation is now off. But you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on display. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!